It's more flexible model. You just each of the treatment, you just select, just press each of the treatment. The system already fixed. To fix the data treatment for you guys, and over here you will see that it's fixed data treatment. You just use different tips to treatment, and this is the temperature. The temperature. If the temperature, that means it's the handle temperature. It's the handle temperature, because when you do the treatment, the handle will keep learning. The handle will keep. You will hear the sound later on. It's a friend inside to do the coding for the handle pieces. Because if don't have the, so another thing is the handle pieces, we can through this is a small screen over here to know that the temperature of the handle pieces. If too hot, then we can take a rest. This is handle pieces. You will see. You will see when we press the stop, you will hear the sounds. This is the fans over here. It's strong fan to get a handle become more under a very good condition, very cold, cold condition to do a treatment. This is the button. You just press this button, it will start to do a treatment. So it's very flexible for you guys to do treatment on the body. Each of the area you will see. Just select each of area of the body to change the tips. Like what I mentioned before, for the knee, for your shoulder, for your hands, and for the lumbar, for area of the body, you use different of tips to do treatment. Of course, these tips for each of the treatment, we will provide you guys the instruction for this area of your body. So it's very easy to understand this machine. You just select the button. The button, and it's fix the data for the treatment, and then you can do a treatment area. Of course, if you want to do a treatment on the patients, next step I will show you guys. I will do the demo on the patient to let you guys know. So you will see the display over here. For each area of your body, you just select the button. For shoulder, for the leg, you will see it will have the light out for each area. For each area of the body, it will display over here the data is already fixed. This is for the fact. This is for neck. And this model, and we need to show you guys for this one. This one is like the DIY mode. This is you can adjust it only this mode, only this button. When you press it, you can adjust it. You can adjust the energy, you can adjust the frequency by yourself. This is for more professional doctor. They can use this more to adjust more or less. Mostly, when you start to use this machine, you can select, as what we said just now, you can just press the button to select the option to do a treatment. It's very easy to understand, and each area of the body to do a treatment is over here like this. So we can select something like, for example, we do the shoulder. On the shoulder, we select the shoulder. Select the shoulder for each area of the knee. We can use the shoulder. For example, you use number 4 and 5. 4 and 5 tips. So that means you need to use the biggest area for the 4 and 5 for the shoulder. So we install the tips for the shoulder. And then if the client, we can use the soft cover over here. And this treatment is the client doing your treatment is feel more comfortable. Of course, you cannot just leave it. You can just contact the skin directly by this area. And now we try to test on the patient. We cover the tips. And before you do the treatment, firstly on the patient, on the clients, how to do the treatment. For your body, every area of the body, different clients, maybe their pain is different. You just ask the client to, you press it to find which area they feel pain, they feel uncomfortable. Just find the pain points. For example, this area, the client said this area they feel pain, so now we find out the treatment area over here. And then we find out the treatment area, and then we use the gel. Use the gel. Gel, you can use the normal facial gel or any kind of the gel. This is some treatment gel. You can use the gel to apply the gel on the treatment, on the pain area. This is a pain point. Firstly, find the pain point on the body, and secondly, apply the gel. And thirdly, you will see this is a handle. It's more flexible. Control. This is you just press the button. This is a hand control to the operator. You just press the button. It will start the treatment. You will see press, start, press, and start again. So now we can start. We can press the button. And the treatment, for the treatment, you can point, one point to shoot. One point shoot, that means you can hit one point for one point to shoot. You can do the rotation, rotate to do a treatment. You can see the video I showed. So now we do the demonstration like this. This is the point, for the point treatment. And this is rotate. This is a rotate weight to do the treatment on body, and this is the point treatment. This is a point. This is a rotate. If after during the treatment, the clients feel good or feel uncomfortable, exactly this is a control button. You can start it, you can restart it, you can start and restart it to do a treatment by the handle control. Of course, the setup after the finish the one point treatment, and then it will stop automatically for treatment. You can do the operation over here. Operation over here. So this is like mostly like it can do the massage on the body. Of course, it can do the massage on each area of the body. This is the point time treatment, and this is the rotate. So after the treatment, and then we can clean up the gel. It's very easy to clean up the gel on your body and do the small massage on the area for the body. This is what we do. You can do the relaxation, the muscle for the body, and of course we need to clean up the tips. After the treatment, clean up the tips. No matter for the shoulder or for knee, for leg, for different area of body, is the same way to do the treatment. It's the same way to do the treatment for the clients. And so this is another model. It's a very popular one. Of course, it's very flexible and it's a great try for guys to understand this one. And if you guys have any question, of course, you can contact us anytime. Thank you.